To make a change to any of the pages in the website, we just go to Pages and select All, and then that brings us here. And as you move your mouse over these different pages, you see these boxes appear that say Edit, Quick Edit, Trash, View, Edit with Elementor. We're always going to select Edit with Elementor. And then once we do that, a page loads that looks a lot like the page we want to change. So if I wanted to change the picture, I just click that picture, and over on the left the picture appears and it says Choose Image. So I'd click that and I'd be able to select a different image from the media library, or I'd be able to upload one right here and select a picture off my computer. Or if I wanted to change the text over here, I just click there and the text appears. So I just click anywhere in the blue box where the text is, and the text appears over here. So I would just change the text, and then at the bottom left, which is not shown on the screen, it'll say Update. So you just click the Update button, and it's instantly live with your changes. It is possible that by mistake I click the X, I delete this whole thing. So don't click the X, but if you do by mistake, don't panic. Up in the top left, you click the back button in your browser, and as long as you didn't click Update to save it, it's not saved. But what if you did click Update by mistake, and then you later realized you deleted a section? No problem. This is the only time you're ever going to use Edit instead of Edit with Elementor. And then all the way on the right, you're going to see the number of revisions to that page, and I see 46 revisions. So when I click on that, it shows me all the revisions and when they were done. Here was a revision a month ago. Here was a revision 4 weeks ago, August 8th. Here was a revision August 25th. So I just go back to the previous version, the previous revision, before I made whatever the mistake was, and I'd save that version as the page that I want to appear. That's all there is to using a website with Elementor.